How to find Discord servers. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Discord on your device. Now log in into your account. Now once you log in, simply tap on the plus icon on this area. Now tap on join a server. Now on this page, you need to get an invite link for the servers. If you want to search for servers, simply go back to the home screen and open up any web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Discord Discover. Now tap on search. Now open up the first website. Now tap on the search icon. Now type the name of the server you want to search for. You can also search from categories. Simply tap on categories. Now select the category. Now tap on the server. Now tap on join server. Now tap on join. Now tap on accept invite. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.